and stuff. Okay.
They're in Los Santos.
Los Santos, there's not that much robbers.
Good.
Let's get some robbers.
Who is this? Who's that guy? Who's that guy on the game?
I posted on. Yeah, let's go right ahead. So, get away from me, okay? Get away. Okay, so.
I don't want to get away. You just fly. You die. You're gonna jump out the helicopter.
I have no parachute.
Just jump out the helicopter.
Okay. So, International Airport. Might want to see a dollar sign for a second. Here we go. Yep.
He's on the helicopter. Land on top of a building.
I'm going to International Airport now.
Looks like a tornado's coming.
I know.
In the game.
It looks like a tornado's coming, okay, people? I'm
Come
doing
on.
the news program.
Really?
No, I'm not.
I don't like the news program. That sucks, booty cheeks. Balls. You watch Bad Grandpa.
So, am I miniature or not?
If you watch Bad Grandpa, that's good. Because he's fun.
So, we found International Airport.
We're about to
Right
visit.
there.
Okay, let's not be at the airport. Hurry up and land at the airport.
Yeah, so, yeah, let's go up, down, up, down, up. So, what do we have today?
I don't know.
This is not what I had in mind.
Ew, that just looks wrong.
What?
He's going like this.
Where?